For a full connected 360 experience, the ability to quickly search across millions of customer profiles that contain hundreds of attributes in the most efficient manner is extremely critical. In this video, I will go over the Reltio search experience and walk you through how to quickly find profiles, organize your results, and take actions on them. The search page is laid out in three main areas. The leftmost panel is where you can filter, either using the faceted search to quickly filter on most used attributes, or the advanced search for more complex search queries. The center panel is where you can see the search results in multiple views. And the top right is where you can take actions on your search results. Let's take an example of a data steward, Debbie, who wants to find a segment of consumers for a premium anti-aging cream they're launching, so she can share this list with her marketing team for campaigns. Debbie wants to search on individuals that meet certain criteria such as age, location, and average spend. In this case, she would select individuals, then select the attributes she wants to filter on. As you can see in this list, it shows recommended attributes at the top, followed by entity-specific attributes. Recommended attributes are suggested attributes based on user search behavior and patterns. It is driven by machine learning techniques such as classification, clustering, and collaborative filtering to provide the most likely used attributes for the specific user. The more users search, the more precise these recommended attributes will be. So from here, Debbie can simply search for the attributes she wants and select them. So in this case, it would be age, city, and average spend. As you can see, the attributes are displayed in visual graphical representation to help her understand the distribution of profiles and ultimately make a more guided decision. She can use the slider to filter on the values, or for more precise filtering, she can manually input them in the text fields. As she filters on various attributes, the results are returned automatically and the count refreshes based on what was filtered on, continuously informing her of the number of profiles that meet her criteria. User preferences are automatically preserved, so the next time Debbie logs in, she can continue from where she left off and avoid having to re-add the same attributes again. If Debbie wants to create an even more complex search criteria, she can utilize our advanced search capabilities. The advanced search supports other operations and complex criteria like grouping and adding and/or conditions. We have also added contextual options to make searching a lot faster for Debbie. So for example, let's say Debbie wants to search for two groups of users, one within the specified age range who reside in LA and another from a younger age group who reside in San Francisco. She can simply duplicate this set and change the values, saving her time from having to search and add these attributes again. We have also added a search query summary at the bottom of the panel to allow Debbie to validate her search query in an easy-to-understand statement or copy it to clipboard to share with others. Once Debbie has finished defining her search query, she can minimize this panel so she can have more real estate to view her search results. Additionally, if she wants to focus on her search query, she can make this panel full screen. Alright, so once Debbie has a list of individuals, she can view them in different ways. The table view is a grid structure that is characterized by a set of rows and columns. In this case, the rows represent the returned profiles and the columns are their respective attributes. The table view allows her to view multiple attributes in a grid structure, so she can easily compare values across profiles. There are multiple ways to manage the table view, such as setting up what attribute columns to show by simply clicking on the Show Hide Attributes button and selecting the ones she wants to show and unselecting the ones she wants to hide. reordering the columns, resizing the columns, and sorting on attribute columns. Another way to view the search results is via the list view. The list view is good for efficient scanning of search results. The attributes in the list view are configurable so Debbie can focus on the attributes most important to her and her team. For a more detailed view of the return profile list, we also offer a detail view. With the detailed view, Debbie can view a summary of the profiles to help further confirm if she has the list she needs. Detailed view shows you general information about the profile, so she can quickly verify the return profiles without having to navigate to its profile page. Another view is the map view. So let's imagine if Debbie wants to only get a list of individuals within a certain geolocation. She can use the map view to filter on an area by simply drawing a polygon around an area. As you can see, the search results now only shows individuals that reside within the greater San Francisco area. In addition, if she wants to search while moving the map, she can do so by clicking on this checkbox. What this does is that as she moves the map to other areas, it only returns profiles within this map window. After Debbie has finalized her search results, she can do a number of actions, such as save her search results, export the search results, share the link to her search query, or edit the profiles in bulk. Oftentimes, our users conduct the same search time and again. In addition, data stewardship is a team collaboration, so we know how important it is to share search queries with the team. Debbie can save time in the future by saving her search results and choose to keep this saved search private or available for others in the team so they can also access what she searched on. To access saved searches, she can click on the Saved Searches button and select a saved search or a recent search she conducted before. Now let's imagine that Debbie wants to add the value anti-wrinkle cream to the attribute recommended product to all of these profiles. Instead of going to each of these profiles one by one, she can leverage the bulk update operation and add this value to all the profiles. The bulk update process consists of 4 steps. The first step is the review phase, where Debbie can confirm the profiles she wants to edit. In the second step, she can select the type of action she wants to perform. She can either choose to delete the profiles or edit the profiles. In this case, she wants to edit the profiles. The third step is where she can define the changes. In this case, she wants to add a new value to the recommended value attribute. So she would simply search for the attribute, recommended value, and select the operation, add new value. After she defines her changes, she moves on to the last and final step of confirming her changes and running the bulk update task. She will then receive an email confirmation notifying her when her job has completed. These features aim to provide our users, such as Debbie, with the tools to be more productive and efficient in their search and data stewardship experience.